Hello, today I'm in BMW M8. In this video I'll show you how to assign functions for buttons from 1 to 8. As you can see, not all the buttons are responsible for radio, because sometimes you can select drive recorder, navigation, car or something else. If you want to assign buttons to some functions, simply enter the function you want to assign your button and, for example, select radio and press the button and hold to assign it. Now let's press and hold the third button, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.